What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe, and today I'm joined here with Michael. We're gonna be doing not really a seat swap, but we're gonna be installing these new seat covers for the Camaro SS LT1. This is basically the base trim, the entry-level trim. This one in particular is spec'd out with some other goodies, which we'll cover in another video. Michael, go ahead and show us how these, oh yes. So the 1SS, or the base level, comes with these kind of like boring cloth seats. They're very stylish, but they're still cloth. So this is going to remedy that look and just give it a more of a luxury performance type of feel. And check out the link in the description below. And we're gonna show you guys how to install them. Some of the problems that some seat covers have is that they look too much like seat covers, and it is kind of like an eyesore. So these are in particular, I wanted to get them on my 5th generation Camaro. I ended up just getting new seats entirely. Now you might be thinking, should we even take out the seats to do this? Yes, it makes a hell of a lot easier of a job.
So this is one of the bolts. I'm using an impact drill just to
Make it easier?
Yeah, make it a lot more easier.
We tried that with my 5th generation Camaro when we were swapping out the Recaro seats, and it was a nightmare to do that by hand with tools.
Like, make sure that the bolt is seated all the way. If not, you're gonna strip it.
The only stripping that you don't want to take part in.
As you see, they have blue Loctite. It makes it pretty tough if you do it by hand. So there's going to be a red little push, so you push it out of the way, and then the main bracket will slide out.
That's what that is.
It's a bit hard to see down here. So that was the red, so you're gonna push it towards you on the passenger side. Unclip that, and then it should just pull right out. And you pull right out.
Wow, so much easier than the 5th gen, man. Do you remember that, Bryce?
Yeah, bro.
That was
it wasn't that bad.
No, it wasn't.
Like just like a little pull, but just quicker.
Now this is not necessarily needed, but I do recommend that you have some sort of like tarp or something where you can make sure that the seat doesn't scratch when pulling it out. We actually did that on the Camaro. There's a couple of places that are scratched on mine, but you know, ain't nobody got to know what they don't know. So there's hooks that go on the bracket, so you actually have to like push up and pull towards you. That way it could get out of the teeth.
Are we pushing? Are we?
One thing I should have mentioned in the video is that you should have another person helping you with this. All right, so Michael took the initiative and started sliding on the cover here. So far it looks really nice, man. Ooh!
I GG'd myself.
What?
Wrong side.
Who needs an S-Class when you have a Camaro? Look at all that legroom.
Yeah, dude, this is like an executive Camaro, bro.
Dude, that's lit.
Think about that. You furnish this in like leather, like that nice diamond stitch leather.
It's like all around. You cover this too.
Yeah, and then you put like a little bottle of champagne right here.
If you have a kid, you can put your baby seat right here.
What?
Take out the front seat so that your wife or girl, baby mama, can sit right here with a baby, have the leg room, and the husband can be driving.
Huh?
True. What do you think?
2 thumbs up. Okay. Isn't it easier to take it out folded?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so fold it down.
Yeah.
Doesn't hit anything.
There we go.
Let's go, bro. Damn, bro. POV, nothing's changed. Actually. So now we're gonna start taking apart the back seats because the covers also extend to the back seats.
All right, so there's a little
That feels illegal.
lever right there.
Oh, let me get up.
See right here is this little clip that retains it.
Oh, I see it.
So you're just gonna pop that out.
Bro, just like that, boys.
Just like that.
No wonder so many so many people strip Camaros.
Yeah, like
All right, in the top.
And then you're gonna want to come here and it just lift up. See that little thing? You just want to pull it out. You're gonna really want to yank on that.
Yo. So guys, this is it. This is all the seats deleted. This is how to take out your back seats, passenger and driver seats on your 6th generation Camaro, in case you guys were curious. So this is the key component that a lot of people don't usually get. It's prying off this little plastic component.
Yeah, but
here.
I'm so scared of doing that.
Yeah.
I think if one breaks.
It's fine. I mean, it's pretty tough plastic.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure you can get these.
No,
on
spray
eBay.
paint this.
All right, so first we're just gonna unzipper this.
Unzipper.
Yep. Both sides, I believe. Nope, just one side. And make sure you get the right side. The first time I did it was the wrong side. Just line up this opening with the pull tab for the seat.
I'm very curious to see how it's gonna look.
Yeah, I'm excited, man. And I love how you have like the white inserts there.
Yeah, look at that mesh.
So something that we recommend you guys do is to recline the seat backwards. That way you can tuck it in and make sure that this opens out so it fits very nicely. There we go. A lot more space to work with. Now we can tuck these little pieces inside. What you're literally just gonna do is slide it in until it just goes through the center here.
Yeah. You'll feel it.
Yeah, you're gonna, yeah, exactly. Need better fingering, bro. Yeah, and I'm sure with time it's gonna just extend, and this is not even like fully like tightened down, so. But dude, already looks so nice. All right, so let's get the money shot right here.
Okay, it's gonna go right here. Just lift it up.
But once it's in, look at that. Perfect.
Yep. This is the bottom part.
That's where your butt goes.
Exactly. So it's the same 3 little flip washer things. I'm not sure what to call them.
Same thing, you just slide it in where you slid in for the top portion here.
Exactly. Why you wanted to take the seat out to make it this easier is that we're gonna have to put this through here. And this goes underneath the seat and it clips onto the frame of the seat. We'll flip the seat upside down to show you.
See, I don't know why you got it in white, bro, because, I'm pretty sure you're gonna shit your pants driving this V8 with these really skinny tires all around. 460? 55, 60 horsepower, whatever, same thing. How are you gonna give you 245s in the rear on a rear-wheel drive car? All seasons, too, like.
So this is the side where it's in the car, so this is the center console shifter. But on this side, where it's exposed, you're gonna wanna go through this part so you can tuck everything underneath.
Oh, so in between this.
Yes, exactly. And as you can see here in the front, you're gonna wanna clip the seats to the frame of the seat. That way it's nice and tight.
Of course.
So to get a proper install, you're just gonna wanna make everything tight and make sure that they don't really look like seat covers to begin with.
There you go. So you do have to pry open with your fingers or using another tool. But again, this is just to make sure that this is nice and secured. Is it really tight?
Yeah.
So we finished finally tucking in those pieces to hold it together, and this is the final product.
Beautiful.
Well, actually, it's not technically the final product because we have to add the headrest.
Where's Rachel?
Batman.
Damn, there we go. Not an ounce of cloth in sight. Okay, so we took the transplant and the operation indoors because we need the AC. I know our ancestors probably looking at us like, bruh. We walked thousands of miles.
Global warming, bro.
True.
They walked during the ice age.
Bro. The whole planet was chilling, literally.
These are really easy.
So yeah, that's where you pull down.
Yeah. These stuff we're gonna have to wait for the cars inside. I mean, it's mostly like just like a friction fit for the most part. On the top. Sides are really. This part was sort of like.
What's this?
Just a Velcro.
Oh, it's
a Velcro now.
to secure it?
Yeah.
Alright, so now the bottom part where we sit. Just line it up.
Line it up. Like I said, you're gonna want to put these once they're back in the car together. Same with the seatbelt. And then you're also gonna want to tuck these down there as well.
So we just flipped it around, made sure that these clips connect with each other. Like that.
Go for that.
Very nice. Alright, so now we're gonna put the seats back in. So we gotta make sure that the seatbelt
has to be fed
through the hole. Just came out. Look. Up that up. Alright. So now we just installed the top part with the factory clips, and now we just have to tie it in this section here. All right, so we're gonna do a quick overview, and what a difference. It's just giving so much more life to the interior. And I love how it matches again with those, you know, very like milk white interior pieces here. So now we're gonna go ahead and just finish off with this one, and then we're gonna start the reinstallment process. Again, the same steps that we took for that seat, it's gonna be the same thing on this. Okay, we just finished putting on the last seats and reinstalling the entire units. Before we show you the final product, let's get a little exhaust clip of this naturally aspirated 6.2 liter V8 dubbed DLT1. Okay guys, so without further ado, here they are. What a difference, man. Total transformation. Let's take a peek at the back here. Awesome, awesome quality. If you guys can see, there's barely any trace of that old clothy material. That is so nice. This is a really great mod to consider if you don't really want to spend money on new Recaros or the new, like the 2SS seat. Install is not too difficult. The aftermath looks great. In this case, we got the white on black. I think they have like blue on black, red on black, yellow on black, stitching. So they have a lot of options. Yeah, look at it from the front. The seats are so noticeable. Well guys, that is it for today. I hope you guys found this video informative and entertaining. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. Guys, let me know in the comment section below what other 6th generation content do you want to see. Guys, if you enjoy my content overall, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, my how-tos, my reviews, etc, etc. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.